Hey guys, I was putting a mud guard on for the rear shock. I thought I'd just make a YouTube video out of it. It's getting pretty dirty and we only took it to the trail once. Here's the mud guard. So it has the two bolts up top here that go into the rear light, and two bolts here that get fixed here, and also a hole here. That's where the cable gets routed, the brake cable, rear brake cable gets routed from. It also comes with a packet of a few washers and an extra bolt that's not here. The first thing you gotta do is take these two nuts off. Should be, yeah, if you loosen them, they should just be able to, you should be able to just turn them by your hand. Don't really need this. So once that's removed, you want to get a couple of the washers that came in the bag and put it through. Put the mud guard in, and then the washer and the nut. There we go. The washer. Yeah, it's tight enough. It's not going anywhere. So once you're done tightening those, you want to loosen this one up. And there's a couple extra, there's a bolt and a couple extra washers that come with it. So you want to put the washer right there. And put it back in place. Same thing on the other side, just the washer and the bolt that comes in the little bag. So after tightening the two bolts right here, the last thing you need to do is route the brake cable through the channel right here. And that's it. That's how you install the mud flap. If you're interested in one of these, I'll put the link in the description below. And if you guys like to see any more customization, please let us know. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.